welcome back to Fix It Fridays, our weekly series where we resolve your queries with quick and easy tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create different floor levels by using shapes and Resize tool. Let's dive in. For creating different floor levels, we can use the Create New Product tool, but we can also use our geometric shapes. If you go to Catalog and into Building Elements, Shapes, and click on Geometrics, you'll see how many shapes there is to choose from. If you want to create, for example, a mezzanine or any floating shelves or floating stairs or maybe some platforms, the only geometric shape that you need is the cube. We have floor docked cubes, we also have wall docked and ceiling docked cubes. I will show you how to create that mezzanine by using wall docked solid cube, and then we will create a platform, and I will also show you how to create floating stairs. To create the mezzanine, I will use the wall docked cube. I will simply put it on a wall, and now I will use Resize tool to resize it. I can go to Edit and choose the height on what I want my mezzanine to be. And now I can apply any texture on that created shape. Now we can add the stairs and the glass railing. Or by using the same shape, we can create floating stairs. To create floating stairs, I will again use the wall docked cube and Resize tool. And now I will use the clone tool to create more steps. I will add the same texture that I have on my floor and on my mezzanine, and my floating stairs already. To create a platform, we can use the floor docked cube, and again we will use the Resize tool to resize it. We can add multiple platforms, for example, one larger, then a smaller one on top. If you want to add a different shape platform, then you can have a look what we have in our geometrics, and you can of course use every other shape. Now apply texture. And we will put the furniture back on our platform. By using geometric shapes and Resize tool, you can add loads of different elements into your project in a very easy and fast way. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Foyr Neo. Thank you for watching and happy designing!